Yes, country people them. If on one sabi for inside Tory House, for this side, so for Equinox Tory House, we don't enter for Tory box for this afternoon, country people them. And just for sabi say, according to talk where we hear from Bamenda, when a delegate for transport says he talk and country people them. Now say wetin, say if you want comot for Bamenda, you wan go for any side just now, you must to talk reason why wey you dey go that waka. You give number for person wey e get for talk for you say calm goat, and you talk the person in name wey you dey go sit down for a house. That one na new law wey we dey hear say delegate for transport for that side for Bamenda, they dey call it say Chengong. Na he say sef e don sign book for talk for all people dem now wey dey wan comot for Bamenda. Say you must to talk why wey you dey go the waka. You must to give name for person wey dey go sit down for day, and you must to give tigni number 2 for person wey dey go sit down for e. If you no fit good do that one quick, they go tell you say make you turn back for house. You no go fit for waka. Whether na another fake tori, man e no sabi, but delegate sef sabi say dey look tori just now. E go talk whether na fake tori wey dey pass or na true thing. Na e sef e sign the book. Big number dem for this afternoon, country people dem. We go talk palava wowo cargo dem wey e dey so dey be born am for place wey dey call am say Ntui. Na for that side, so for Yawende, we go take una to go for Yabasi where people dey vex, people dem for inside village dey vex for sika say they don dey can dey cut their stick dem. They no dey fix them roads, all thing e dey spoil dey go. We go talk to for tori this afternoon. Sabi say plenty school dem for that side for southwest, northwest, they don dey send pikin dem for back. Ambassador just dey turn back for Victoria. We go show una two wey we see am for Seka Baptist College. Newspaper themselves the day wey we go talk on this afternoon. And big part talk e dey tell we say wetin, say if you want sabi tree wey e dey bitter, just meet up beef wey e dey climb for that stick there with him up. E go tell you. I say if you want sabi stick wey e dey bitter, just do wetin, ask beef wey dey climb on top stick with his teeth. They go tell you. Na Wilfred Likake Boya Town, na he send we big part up for this afternoon. Good afternoon for outside the country people dem. Plenty glad for joining us for this side. Chapter 2 for Tori. As well when I don't hear, you want come up for Bamenda just now with your cargo, you must to give reason why we dey go wakam. Give person the name where you go sit down for a house, and even a tingly number them. Now book that, we Chengong, delegate for transport for Norway zone sign am. We know sabi whether na fake Tori, as we all team for Cameroon now so na fake Tori. So, Oga delegate, if na fake tori, talk for we one time so that we go talk say na fake tori. Inside tori for this afternoon, as I don't promise, we go start tori now for that side for Ntui. Now for Yawende side, all that cargo dem where you dey see, and so for that side on the people dem, all that cargo dem. So one dem, na cargo the way na wowo cargo. Na e mean say e don expire. E don expire. One day wey they never expire, but date e don reach wey small time dey get for spoil. Na wey people dem for that side for Ntui wey dey be concerned for look out all the kind of things so that population no go chop what thing. They just turn pick and join am all for one place. They talk say, oh yeah, Oga Ezio can city wey we don join am, we wan go born am just now, and Ezio say turn up for there with him own cover for nose. You see as well they put kerosene for all the cargo them, mimbo, oya, medicine, and some kind small thing the way they so it don't expire. One day they say where they enter for market for some kind of way small time date to it go reach. So now for Sika why that way they so they burn all that cargo them as well as the sea, and so for place where they call them same Ntui. Now for Yawende side, they say cargo they don't start, they don't support, but people they be the so put them for market. They dey also put am for market, so they bomb am off for that side. We take una go for place where they call am say Yabasi. People they dey sit down for road, block roads. They say e don too much. E don too much. Wetin don too much? As soon as the CD people then so, they say they be don give land. They say they give land for some man. When I'm governor land, when governor give am for different person give am for different person. Normal. they be get for the fix the people dem road, give them water, give them even school, but the man the only can cut timber comot. He can't cut timber comot. Timber dey only pass, stick dey only fall. He dey only cut timber comot. Cut timber comot. You know the do they no work. But the only thing wey vex the people them, as well they cut this stick them so call the people them. The thing wey vex the people them say that man where they give the land, he never respect. See bridge don rot ten. The man know the check the bridge get for fix am. You understand? Road e no dey. The man know the check say get for fix road. All the thing they so na thing that way they be put inside contract before they give say papa. As well, they come for you, this road you must to fix them, bridge you must to fix them, then you fix with school, you give it water. Sabi say na the kind small thing than that. When some company enter for inside our village, he must to do it. But person where they give the land, he always sabi na for cut stick. He always sabi for cut stick. Now anyway, they so people them for that side, they block road, they lock road. They say no man no go enter. No man no go enter. The man don't respect commandeer. So they talk for person where he be give that man that land. Say make the commodity bring different person. After all, and governor land. So now why that way you see people they fight so. So when they say they no be one time, other one they be one mail say they want show open eye. So people them for there they come out. They say they no go only can cut their stick then go with them. Cut stick go with them. Road e rotting. They know they do no nothing. Bridge e don chakara. They know e do no nothing. Water sef e no dey for inside the village. All thing no dey there. Now why that the population come out? E talk say e don too much. E don too much. They no fit do no nothing if and only if they do wetin. They fix them their roads, bring water for them, even give employment, give work for some of the village people them. Say the people that they only bring am for can call this stick them. Now one day they come up for outside people them. Village, you know, they get no nothing. So now why that way they block their road? They say make that man he come out or make the work he end. Now they vex that for that people them for inside village where he dey for that side for Yabasi. Wanna see bridge don rot ten go. The man he no sabi say he get for calm. See road don rot ten. He no sabi all the one. People they no get water. School sef no dey. He only can cut his stick pass. Spoil road dey go. No dey fix no nothing. So they talk say they no want it again. They no want it. Now the thing that way happen where you see population turn up so plenty for inside road so where they block road they say make that man he no just put a 2 foot inside Yabasi. They no want just cash it. Make we take una go for that side for Yabasi.
Ici là.
Oui. Non, sauf. Je ne plains pas le temps. Peut-être vous ne me connaissez pas. Hein. Je suis chef de la casquette, c'est qui me sauve.
Ici là.
Oui. Non, sauf. Je ne plains pas le temps. Peut-être vous ne me connaissez pas. Hein. Je suis chef de la casquette, c'est qui me sauve.
Now confusion that for Yabasi. Person the only can cause still go. Road rotting, water no dey village, school no dey village. All that thing they put on for contract in no grade one. Make we hear wait chief for that side for that village a talk.
Same way they make way with the vendor say the bush way una dey see so na bush way government don't give am for that man wey dem call am say a nomadi. That bush be been na bush for governor, but governor be don decide say you go give am for some man wey go cut city wey dey for inside for pay tax for government. We too like a people for tongue. We get we own small thing wey that man must give we go help we for fix we sukun them. Say we pikin for sukun get water get land. Me I dey so for my village say I no get me land. I dey so I dey stay na for some different village for seek a power for land. No nothing no dey. No nothing. Any day dem support road. We want say that man wey Mr. Inomedi don make arrangement with he know the worker better he go government help Inomedi for move he take different man wey that man go come solve with problem.
Now chief that for village where they vex with the person where they give say make it look out for us for that side so for Yabasi. Make we hear wetin wey the population too get for talk. Sabi say chief, e dey look out people them. Make we hear wetin wey people they get for talk.
Go for farm, they dey block am like this. For Bosaso, they don't lock am. We pass for go for farm, we no dey for pass. And we don't get this road they on.
School they don't make am for
School no dey. Water save no dey. For not for village say something no dey.
Bridge, they don't fish bridge for.
Bishop no dey. Look how they work for working for here so we no dey.
We mess with the vest. They let the men nothing for village. Then the thing with flower, all the flower we part don't suffer burn am. They can't take am. No for nothing. Self school, they let make am. All water not there for village. Nothing. Road not there. There is pass down with small road where you get and then you spoil them. One people for village. They don't take one people for village. They take then one people then bring up for you. We will suffer. And that's why I get 4 pikin and I get work. We want to say Mr. Enumeji. Drop that man where he don't bring up for ya. May he drop me. He bring me some bag, some woman. Some woman will go beg me for village. We not figure some foreign like a PM5.
Yes, now people then that themselves they dey vex. Where they dey look at them, e no better at all for them. Now so we go take una talk this accident two way pass for that side so from Konsamba Road. Tori way enter for we ear. As we the tell we. Na motor way e carry sote how many people? I say dog say be there for look the accident. Doctor say e don't too much. Say all time accident for road. Na motor that way make versus. I say dog dey. Dog too say one look accident. E don't stay. All accident they the only here. So say go for day. Population say be dey. All man e be turn up for far way the look to where they happen. Now that container motor where e dey so e make versus. With the motor where e comot for Bafusam where e carry 20 people them for inside. Now Nadine tori wey dey talk for we now say that man person wey dey drive motor be don tire. He be the sleep. Na when motor tumble side so enter for inside hole. I say motor tumble side enter for inside hole. 20 passengers dem people dey be there for inside that motor. And the good thing for them I say oh thank God. No one person no die. I say no one person no die for inside that motor wey tumble side so. Na so population too comot come for can help people the way they be there for inside that motor. Population can climb on top motor try for help am. Other one they turn up for outside. They the only look na way the pass for inside hole. They say driver be don tire. He be the sleep on top steering. Na way motor tumble side so he meet up with that motor wey carry container. Bam! He enter na for inside bush. We enter. I say people them. All people there they see that man. You don't run go come on and back them. See mommy foot. Now mommy foot that. Mommy foot don't spoil small. Oh yeah, red blood there for his skin. See mommy face. Mommy face don't spoil. Now other one then this way. People them for firefighter. They come for can help for put am for inside motor. As so the talk. As so God dey make it in. The time. No one person no die. All man they get wound. All people they see and so they get wound. One day where they make na tingini one time for call people they say nothing they don't happen. They be there. But sabi say the accident be there na some kind of war accident. Thank God. Say no man no die. Now for road for Konsamba the one he pass. Now one of we na continuation that for we national road number 5. But the one will not go talk say na road. According to tori wey people they talk for we. Driver themselves for people there they inside motor tell we. They say driver be don't tire. Say driver be don tire so take time no dey. But as wey money concern, he also enter for motor dey carry people dem. Say na tire make am, he be the sleep on top steering. Sote last. Wetin e happen? Na motor that way tumble side. He get lucky say people dey no die. People dey only get one like the mommy foot so. Una see blood no? Blood dey for his skin. Few to blood dey. Face to don spoil. Mami Ashia. You don't hear no? Ashia, make we turn back for Konsamba Road. Selon l'agence, c'est ça qu'on a dit. Selon l'agence. They disturb outside. Accident happen. Instead for ask people them for help, they detect na their phone. All man they want put on for WhatsApp, you want put on for Facebook. All man they with the phone. It the only show na for Facebook. Wonderful. Make we take one and go for that side for Limbe. For Limbe side, now some canoe way the catch fish with net way no get for use and cash am. Now for that side where they don't catch the canoe, and delegate say for Palava livestock. Palava fishery concerning fish. Ebidede. Now the motor this or the canoe that one at this year. The canoe, instead for it for use net for 75 size, it use na net for 50 size. For catch all small fish and for inside water. Now when they canoe them for water, they see the canoe, they talk say la to la. No be na for inside the Cameroon. See small fish. Where if they for Lebanon for water, if for big parts the we don't see and so. The canoe come with the net weight na only 50 meter for size. It means say they hold the small sote wey na for gather all thing. Whether na which kind of small size, the net dey carry all thing. Thank God say we ketu them for water. They sabi for do the work. See the net. Net wey they be get for use na 75 oh. So that small one then they fit comot. But then the use na net wey na 50. It means say they hold the small. So they dey gather na all thing. As when they pass the net, now in that. As when they pass the net, they catch all things, even the smallest fish they get for cash. So these people then vex. Ketu them for water, they just cash and they say, okay, now they can't finish our fish and for we water. Tomorrow we go turn back for can't catch fish. We no go see fish. Fish e no go come out again. We want go buy fish for market. Fish e don't dear plenty. So they catch the canoe, bring them for that side for sure. Then seize all the fish. No ask ambassador whether they don't send their own fish. They no send now. So I know sabi now say the fish all they don't die. They will get for throw all back for inside the water so that it go be where the fish they go turn back. But all the fish they don't die. See small fish where they catch up. Small fish. Now we find we find palava. Yes. Now we find palava on the people there. So now so it happen. Make we hear delegates say a talk for we true. Thing where pass for that side for Limbe, delegate for Palava fish for that side for Southwest.
The law talks that so they're not supposed to catch fish within that 3 nautical miles. But this particular boat, they catch where the fish for that place where there's the mommy fish are supposed to born and then the picking fish they grow. So they don't catch all the fish where they catch now small fish. And then because they did not say they want catch now the small fish, they bring now nets when 50 millimeters instead of 70 millimeters net size. So they catch that small fish and plenty. Now they catch them so. Ministry of Livestock, it work in collaboration with the Navy. So the Navy now, they're there for water. So they catch the people the way that they fish for side where they're not supposed to fish because we don't get a collaboration, an agreement with the Navy for work together.
So, now my delegate says it is time for Tewiti way pass for that palava for fish. We go remain for Limbe. We talk palava big day for comot dirty for corner side water. Now down beach be this. See as way dirty day. And all the dirty then so we wanna the sea. Now dirty when na people there they don't go catch fish, they can't clean dirty for fish, throw am for day. One day way they carry dirty for water for inside their net. They bring am for day, can't clean am, leave am them. When they leave am so, they check say water go come for up, a carry am. Now fish that. Nothing we don't go chop better fish for down beach, no. If you never go there, we will go there. We go turn for this small. We turn for inside the down beach. As I be say woman, they no one hear anything wey concern fish. You don't need the answer say when. So now for Sika wider country people the way they be the glad big day for International Coastal Cleanup Day. As COA, then say they join hand, go for down beach, comot all that dirty them. One day when na people there they don't go catch fish for inside water bring and can leave am for they go. And even one day when na that mami then say for fish they do am, carry all the dirty them, clean the whole place, clean all dirty. Sabi say normal na work this way company where the look out dirty get for do am no, but e go do am na how? When they left dirty careless for outside. So the people they talk say when put the one can chop fish, make the chop fish with a clean place. Then say they come and score, they can comot all the dirty them. They go put am for place where people there they carry dirty when it reach their time. Then say they can't carry dirty. Now International Day for comot dirty for corner water. For BB Queen Elisa Igrama, they go put and say International Day for Coastal Cleanup Day. Now the first time we see you hear the kind of thing. See dirty. Now dirty that for corner water. Now for the same place where people they go enjoy life. For Limbe, for down beach. Dirty they careless. Dirty they. People they can't she don't chop bunny fish. Drink better mimbo, but they no sabi say for damn dirty day. People they feel they can't keep the dirty, they sabi say they go can't clean am. So when they get hope safety, when water come for up, go back, it go carry the dirty go. Now in that, if you want chop better fresh fish, we know they make a publicity na normal thing way they happen for damn beach. Go for there, go chop your better fresh fish wey just come up for water. They burn am for you. I go take a Malice and I go take a Nadine, we go. Boyom, you go sit down for back for Douala, you look as waiting the pass. Make we hear way some of the people then say they talk for we man for that side for Limbe, Davidson Maimo.
Today na say we will try for make other community there for down beach for Limbe, make they understand say it be very important for keep coastal area clean. Coastal area na the area where they around the sea area, beach area. So we decide say we will celebrate this day na International Day where all the whole world they commemorate the day. So we decide say we will celebrate this day for Limbe here. There will be days that we will. Actually, we know say environment clean will get good health condition. So the issue now for get good health condition. If you look behind me, you will see people the way that they sell something, the way that they chop. But the environment be dirty. So we want to try for say no keep the environment clean so that people will enjoy, they get good fresh air.
We come today now to clean the coastal line, the down beach in the Limbe area, because we observe say plenty dirty the over paka, be it plastic, die animal, plenty even watching wood them the over plenty for here. So as COA now, the organization thinks say we go nice to carry out a project. We join with our partners for America, see how we help for clean this environment, for improve on people their health, and also to talk for them about the need for a good environment and clean environment.
Now Limbe that we go come up for Limbe. We enter now so for this palava for control for roads. We be talk this palava yesterday. We turn back for them for Sika say na way day important for we for Sabi. Better motor so where you see where we start talk palava for a tire they already use now spare tire that way don't leave say they so if one tire box it go use another one. That one na BB danger for people them. Another motor says we see like a D timber motor. If he one tire box, waiting he go use now he own spare tire that. It means say a tire too, a no they can't pay. If you go make some mistakes, so tire, it keep people them for road. Now road control, now for Sika say they be the control roads and look at all the motor them. See the other motor, better tire them. Make we see where to carry like a spare tire. Wanna see the one turn up straight. See on spare tire. Wanna see tire. When another one box, it go carry and took am for day. So big commander then say they be day road. For talk say that kind of thing no fine. That one na for key people there. And for even put driver your own life, say for inside big trouble. That man wey turn up for there, e the only gauge. Any motor wey dey come with his speed, he go see am. He only pass for that side, they just blow whistle. Prep enter for this side. Why he dey run with his speed? So e be then a special road control wey e be the pass for we national road number 5. Wey K2 them or near them SSF. Now they be there for roads, BB commander SSF and colonel, or they be there for say make this work, it work a fine. We left that palaver, Nadine, we left that palaver for road control. We go surely turn back again for inside there some other time. We look now this other better motor we see now for inside Cameroon, all kind of thing there for Cameroon. Motor for before they find, una see tire for motor for back. Now they see that tire no day, una see tire. Then the road SSF day, road no day. So motor to the manage, motor na eboa. One side tire no dey, but the motor the worker. Now only for inside we country we see that kind of thing there. And I think you see that motor, Francis Boyom. I will dash you that one. Yes, see eboa, see motor as well the pass. Tire no dey. E the worker. Now inside Cameroon we dey. All things they happen for inside Cameroon. So one of it wrong number then I say plenty school them for Southwest, Northwest by force holiday for picking them. I just the turn back for Seka. For Limbe, I say make I go see. I enter road for Seka Baptist for Limbe. Now only Gondere the day for that school. Papa they don't can take picking them for school. No be na say I hear say picking them they go their house. Now get school them. It means say now only Gondere the day for the school. Now Limbe day Nadine you dey ask and say also Seka day. Seka na Limbe. Now the school they see picking them they don't put their cargo them for outside. They wait their papa then say me they can't carry them mommy them. Motor then say they dey outside they wait. Sabi say the palava where people they fear for outside. It don't make them mommy then say they thought say they no feel left their picking them again for inside dormitory. Seka na dormitory school. It means say picking the she done for inside school. So enter for inside Seka for today. After we don dey read plenty book there. Say e dey so they want to say make picking they go house. Say fear e dey. Now so mommy then they don't enter school. Can't carry picking them. Picking them say their cargo they dey for outside. They carry and go. So now just the idea we will take look Seka for this afternoon. I just the turn back for Limbe. You see another picking them down with their cargo them. Oh man, they come on outside. He want go meet up papa and mama before so other thing pass. On a sabi say sase we hear say sase tutu we be pass or the other day. He don't make picking them sase for comot by first break. Bishop Rogam by first break. Another small school them. Now we enter for inside this chapter for Palava for Northwest and Southwest. For Douala here, Binet, it don't losses, plenty people that they cry. All the cargo they want at the sea and so, they don't get people there that they can't buy them again. First time, people there they come out can buy, they come out for Boya. As we one Binet woman says, he talk for we, like the woman, so he tell we say 1 week, he get persuade sure say go to get 15,000, where they come out for Southwest. One of the customer, but now so know the sea. Green beans it is spoiled. Sandanga market, even from Bopi market, the same thing. From Bopi market to enter na for seaside way this lofo hair, lofo biabia for woman where they use and make they look fine again. They call and say match. We go look the bine for that side. Bine for match the wawa the go. Plenty of the people there they can buy the match and some kind small thing there. Now for Northwest Southwest they come out. Now so we know they all money they cry poor. People then say that the way say they will can't give them something from Nigeria. We know they. So even Benin people them for Douala, then too they hear hot. For Seka they confuse away the pass for that side for nowhere and Southwest. Last story for this afternoon. Now commoting with Oga Kleda, his lordship. Samuel Kleda comot. Na big man for Episcopal Conference. All bishop them for Cameroon. He talk na palava for vote for Genyun Kunkuma. Oga Kleda talk say Catholic Church e don comot a Peace and Justice Commission. This Peace and Justice Commission na for look as we vote for number 7 day for October moon e go pass. Say e dey talk for people dem for outside, journalists o, tori people dem, church people dem, even you and me for outside. When una wan go turn up for vote, make una check sense. Look person wey go bring change for country. Cameroon e dey hear bad for social side. E dey hear bad for political side. E dey hear bad for business side. So Samuel Kleda don talk say make una look the kind people dey vote. And he don talk to say wetin. Dem no dey talk say they wan support some person. but na say wetin he say the confusion for northwest and southwest na so for sika the way they dey look at the confusion na why there were confusion e no the so one for finish. So e dey talk for people dem, Christian dem, one day they dey go church, one day they no dey go church wey they get for vote. Even you and me and even Tori people dem say make they sabi the kind people dem. So dem they go put Peace and Justice Commission for look as wey the thing e dey pass. Tori don finish. Newspaper dem too dey get their own side. Wetin newspaper talk this afternoon. Quick we enter for the Guardian Post wey e dey for outside this afternoon, country people dem. Inside the Guardian Post, they say international crisis group dem say they don fall on top all Anglophone conference ideas so they pass even Cardinal Tumi. So just now they don dey gather people dem for back, say make this all Anglophone conference e happen. Na so to the Guardian Post e tell we say wetin palava for northwest and west United Nations e say e go change place wey people dem wey dey comot northwest and southwest dey shidon that refugee people dem for inside Nigeria. Inside the same chapter they tell we say pikin dem for St. Joseph's College Sase na running this they run enter for Sosongo after wey some people dey with Isheka shoot enter for inside their school. Inside the Guardian Post too you fit read some other tori for red. How e be wey the people there dey talk say the man fit win for vote, the man fit win. How e really dey? Na true thing wey fit happen. Na question that way the Guardian Post e ask this afternoon. We enter for the Horizon session wey e dey for outside today, con the people dem. Inside the Horizon wey dey for outside, they tell we say vote for Genyun Kunkuma. United Nations company wey e own na for only talk say na the person fit win vote. E don talk say Nkunkuma go chapia all vote dem for inside country. According to wetin the Horizon talk am. Inside the Horizon session for so chapter for vote, e tell we as wey Christian Penda Ekoka, e take knife, e chook Nkunkuma for back so te time no dey. Inside the same tori too, you fit read palava for Bamenda people dey dey keep beef wey dem say dey talk say wetin say city council e don over show dem pepper dirty and even choco wey e dey for that side na come and see. Even burial for Oga Kaji Defoso repe wey do better thing e dey for inside the Horizon wey e dey for outside. Last one wey we look am for inside this afternoon, country people they dey call am na the Eden newspaper. Eden newspaper say e dey for outside, country people dem. Make we enter for Eden newspaper wey dey for outside. Wetin dey for strong number for Eden newspaper. Eden newspaper e turn back for tell we palava for wetin we take una go for Eden newspaper wey e dey for outside. E dey tell we say wetin as we vote for get new Nkunkuma the calm. They say governor say e don confuse people. Dey comot for northwest and west. Who they go vote for that place? Big question. Inside the same Eden newspaper, they dey tell we say wetin for that side for Ngi, people dem for Amba, they don't talk say CPDM peoples. If una try, now the thing that way the Eden newspaper e talk am. Now so too the Eden dey tell you say the chapter for northwest and west e don make so te 6,500 people dem for lost their work and work say e no dey. China say they say they don start on turn thief back Africa for inside chapter for Binet. Now they told them that wey Eden get am plus other one for inside the skin. We want say big thank you for Francis Boyom. Na he dey make I dey see me for outside. Thank you for Innocent Abega. Na he say people looking glass on my face way you dey see me so for this other side and I dey see myself for that side. Thank you Malice, you dey for Facebook. Na you dey put am make people dey look we as wey dey pass for this side. Nadine Gwafo, thank you. Na you dey put image as we at the talk. Ambassador Sese, thank you. We go meet up na sote for some time. As we to really happen, we Sese dey for before. Wanna hold on tight for outside.